এখন প্রচারিত হচ্ছে স্থানীয় ইংরেজি সংবাদ।
Assalamu alaikum. 4:30 p.m. This is Bangladesh Betar Cox's Bazar. The news read by Mohammad Rezal Karim Rigan. As part of the Prime Minister Tariq Rahman's nationwide campaign to plant 250 million trees, a tree plantation program and sapling distribution were held at three educational institutions in Ramu. MP Lutfur Rahman Kajol distributed fruit, timber and medical plant saplings among students at Chailatoli A.K. Azad High School, Rajarkul Jyotishan High School and Rajarkul Islamia Girls Dakhil Madrasa. He also planted trees on the campuses. Addressing the program, MP Lutfur Rahman Kajol stressed the importance of large-scale tree plantation to protect the environment and build a greener Bangladesh, urging every student to plant and care for at least one tree. Meanwhile, in Chokoria, the Upazila Jatiyodayabadi Chhatra Dal has launched a program to distribute and plant 30,000 saplings at 58 schools and madrasas. The program was inaugurated through a sapling distribution and plantation event at Fashiakhali Rashid Ahmed Chaudhary High School. Upazila Nirbahi Officer Shahin Delawar attended as chief guest. The officer in charge of Chokoria Police Station, along with leaders of the BNP and its affiliated organization, are also present. Upazila Chhatra Dal convener Rezal Karim Bappi said the initiative supports government efforts to protect the environment and address the impacts of climate change. A total of 600 flood-affected families in Rajakhali Union of Pekua, Upazila received 10 kg of rice each of food assistance. The relief was distributed at Shobuj Bazar on behalf of Home Affairs Advisor Salahuddin Ahmed by Jahangir Alam, joint convener of the Rajakhali Union BNP. Leaders and activists of the Pekua Upazila BNP, Rajakhali Union BNP and its affiliated organizations are present at the distribution program. The Kutubdia Upazila Law and Order Committee held a meeting at the Upazila Parishad Hall today, chaired by Upazila Nirbahi Officer Mohammad Mizanur Rahman. The meeting was attended by the officer in charge of Kutubdia Police Station, the Eastern Commissioner Land, the convener of the Upazila BNP, officials of the Upazila administration, elected representatives and members of law enforcement agencies. Speakers called for collective efforts to maintain law and order across the Upazila. Under the Vulnerable Women Benefit VWB program, 215 disadvantaged women in Ramu received 25 kg of rice each for July. The distribution took place at the South Mithachori Union Parishad premises in the presence of Union Parishad Chairman Khodesta Begum Rina, administrative officials and other concerned. Meanwhile, under the Vulnerable Group Development VGD program, 80 low-income beneficiaries in Kakara Union of Chokoria received 30 kg of rice each. The distribution was attended by Acting Union Parishad Chairman Shafiqul Islam Shafi. Administrative officials, Union Parishad members and other local representatives are present. Finally, weather and forecast valid till 12 noon tomorrow says the sky may remain partly cloudy to cloudy. Also, light to moderate rain or rain with thunder may occur in one or two other places. There is no signal advised for Cox's Bazar seaport. The day and night temperature may slightly increase. The maximum temperature at Cox's Bazar recorded till 12 noon today was 32 degrees Celsius, while the minimum was 25.2 degrees Celsius. The sun sets today at 6:33 p.m. and rises tomorrow at 5:25 a.m. Here is the tide schedule for the mouth of the Bakhali River and its surrounding coastal areas. Today, high tide will begin at 5:38 p.m. and will continue until 11:25 p.m. Low tide will begin at 11:25 p.m. and will continue until 5:37 a.m. Another high tide will begin at 5:37 a.m. and continue until 11:39 a.m. tomorrow. And that's the end of the news. Our next bulletin will be at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow in Bangla.
এতক্ষণ প্রচারিত হলো স্থানীয়